Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back, and officially it has been 11 months since the last time I did my last video. The last video I did was a holiday makeup look. Well, this time we're gonna do 5 videos for Vlogmas. So I'm actually pretty excited because I wanted to do a little something different. So welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a beauty look. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm still going to be using my little Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. And I'm going to be using one of these sponges, cotton sponges. And I'm going to be putting a little bit of the product. I like to start basically in the inner and then move to the outer. And then the next thing we're going to be using, it is called Grown Alchemist. It's a biological beauty moisturizer, which is amazing. I actually really love this moisturizer. So I'm going to put that all over my face and neck. And the next thing I'm going to do is go in with chapstick. So I'm actually going to be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation in 300. It's actually a really good foundation. Oh, these are the BoxyCharm brushes, which I've been using ever since I got them, which are amazing as well. And then I'm just going to be putting foundation all over. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, which is actually really good. And then I go in with the MAC NC25 powder, Studio Fix. And I'm going to be using this Morphe brush. Don't know what kind it is. And then I just like set my concealer. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be bronzing, but I'm going to be using the Hoola Benefit. It's the mini bronzer. I'm just going to be putting a little bit of the bronzer as well, just on top of my eyebrow bone, just like that, just on top, because I'm not really going to do much today with the eyes. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I'm just going to put this on my eyebrows. So literally just combing them out. I love the hairy fluffy eyebrows, so I usually do that a lot. So just, you see I kind of want to put them a little bit higher. There we go. Yes. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eyebrow. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and then I'm going to be using the new Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Alrighty. So now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting my lashes. So these are with my lashes on. Okay. And then the next thing I like to do is, I did miss a step when I put my bronzer. I do like to put my blush and my highlighter right after, the bronzer, but I totally forgot for some odd reasons because I haven't done videos in forever, so I got a little nervous. So I do the same thing with the blush. The blush that I'm using is called Phase Zero Making Moves, and I got this from my FabFitFun, and dude, I'm telling you, beautiful. Okay, so it has kind of like some highlight and shimmer to the blush, which is amazing because sometimes when I use it, I usually don't put highlight, but why not put highlight, right? So for this, I'm just gonna put it right here, okay, and then right there is I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Sets. Just put it all over your face, just like that. And lastly but not least, I'm gonna be doing a red lip because it's Christmas. So sometimes I like to go for a more traditional, okay, lip. So I'm gonna be using the NYX, the blush red. So what I like to do, I kind of remove the chapstick but still leave it on. Okay, so I don't know why I'm gonna be doing the lips off camera, just because it's so hard to do the lips on camera. But basically what I've been doing lately is overlining my lips. So I literally just go on top of the line of my natural line, and then I literally just bring it a little bit up and then go over, and the bottom I go over the lower lip line and then just go up a little. But that's basically what I do, okay? So this is gonna be off camera. Alrighty guys, so this is the lip color. So I went for red because, like I said before, it's because it's Christmas and it's Vlogmas and we love a good red. So the red I did end up using was actually the NYX, it's called Perfect Red. So that's the one I am using. Well, thank you guys for coming into this video. I am excited to be doing more videos this year. I am going to be trying to do them more often now, and I apologize for the delay, but it's because I'm actually currently in school, so it was really hard to end up doing another video after that. So hopefully this year will be a lot more different, and I hope that you guys love this beautiful makeup look, and thank you for watching me. Bye.